Hi, I'm Catherine Matthews, and I'm the Director of Education at Old North. Now, sometimes my job is working with visitors, and sometimes it's writing scripts, but this week it's really interesting because we're installing a new exhibit. We have put new signage into the church, panels, and we are thrilled to be sharing a broader story of the church's history. This project was funded by the Yawkey Foundation, and one of its goals is to increase accessibility in the exhibits of our church. So one example of this is this panel, which helps people who stand on the first floor and experience what it's like to be on the second floor. Old North is famous for the signal lanterns of Paul Revere and for the Longfellow poem, but there are 300 years of stories to tell and about a very broad and inclusive community. So one of the panels, for example, talks about that community that over 300 years has changed and developed. We'll hear the stories of women, the stories of Sunday school students, and the stories of how people supported neighborhood children who wanted to come to Sunday school. Another aspect of the exhibit are biographical panels about people who have been part of the Old North community, whether for a long time or for one visit, like Queen Elizabeth, who was here in 1976. One of the goals of the exhibit was to anticipate visitor questions. And often a question we get is, well, who sat upstairs? And the answer to that sheds light on a congregation that was interracial, but not integrated. So come see our new permanent exhibit, Sparking Revolutions, Lanterns, Leadership, and the Evolving Legacy of Old North Church. As you'll see, we have a lot more stories to tell.